In today's show, I'm gonna help you a lot. What are the best and most important vitamins that can help you remove your acne. In today's show, you will learn a lot more about acne, what are causes of the acne, and at the end of the show, I'm gonna give you special natural remedies that can help you a lot remove those skin conditions. One of the most common long-term face conditions is acne. Researchers think that at least 80% of teenagers have acne, which can be pretty bad. But acne isn't just a problem for the teens. It can also happen to adults, mostly to women, and affects up to 20% of the population. A lot of people don't see a dermatologist because they think that their acne will go away on its own. However, people who have serious form of diseases are more likely to have long-term effects with getting permanent acne scars. Poor cleanliness do not cause acne, and using too many irritating products, foams, soaps, gels and lotions to clean and scrub the skin can make it worse and cause it to turn red and peel. You can also make acne worse by squeezing it ourselves. It can lead to a bigger inflammatory responses, which can lead to discoloration and a new scar. Today, we are mainly successful treatments that can greatly lower the formation of new sores, and as a result, the appearances of late effects such hyperpigmentation that can last for the long time, and the scars will always be there. Acne sufferers can feel better about their self-esteem when they get better care. And that is why we need to educate ourselves what are the real causes why you have the acne, also what are the best natural remedies that can help you. That's why you're watching this video. What are the main causes of the acne? Many times someone in the same family, father, mother, brother or sister, had the same acne problem. People think that the size of oil glands, how sensitive they are to the hormonal changes, and our tendency to follicular keratosis are all passed down from our parents to us. You're talking about androgenic hormones. The amount of those hormones in the blood doesn't have to be high, but the oil glands become more sensitive to them. Hormones can cause productions of the sebum, problem with the keratinations of the hair follicle, and the growth of the bacteria that are normally found on our skin. This leads to the formation of comedones and the inflammatory lesions like papules, pustules and inflammatory nodules. That's why you also need to think about it. Also, when you have the acne, in the most cases, this is hormonal problems. Also, you have maybe genetic purposes. One of the main causes why you have the acne is going to be an unhealthy way of living, especially the unbelievably unhealthy or junk food you eat each day. So that means if you eat unhealthy and junk food, your appearances of acne is going to be a lot worse. It's unbelievably important that right now in this modern era, a lot of adult people also have the acne. In most cases, the women are the problem, especially if you have hormone disbalance on any other cases that can cause your acne development. Nobody likes having acne, no matter what we age are. The sickness could show up in the first time before age of 10, and a lot of people can get acne on the face, cheeks, nose, chin, neck, shoulders, chest and upper back during puberty or adolescence. If you treat your acne properly, and one time acne scars will not show up. Not only do teens get acne, but women in their 30s, 40s and the 50s are coming out of the office with the same problem more and more often. It is thought that 50% of the women and 5% of the men have acne as adults. How to treat acne? When a person is an adult, acne more likely to show up on the lower face, chin and along the lower jaw. For some people, acne can start in adults even if they didn't have it as a teens, as a result of different causes such as changes in hormones during the cycle, especially a few days before menstruation, after stopping oral hormonal birth control, during menopause, and during menopause also the changes can happen. Adults' acne can also be caused by stress, like during the test times. There's certain medications, not using the right skincare products, and so on. Fortunately, acne in adults can be handled well. And this is also very important for you to know. Usually, a woman after 30, 40, 50 years, if you have acne, it's going to be your hormones, it's going to be your bad diet, it's going to be your medications, or maybe it's going to be stress-related issues. But usually, if you avoid all these problems and you treat them in a natural way, you will get better maybe in no time. The most complicated situation, of course, is for the adults, people also with the teens. How does what you eat change how acne looks? A lot of people talk about how on what you eat can make your acne worse. How people feel about these changes over time. The current consensus in the field is that eating too much high glycemic index food can make acne worse. There is also evidence that drinking cow milk can make acne worse. In particular, eating a lot of carbs like cakes, pasta, cookies, ice cream, and drinks with added sugar makes the body more insulin. Hyperinsulinemia causes more androgens, glucocorticoids, and growth factors to be released. This causes keratinization disorder in the follicle and more sebum to be released. It causes comedons, papules, and pustules to show up. Women with polycystic ovary syndrome often have scars and acne. Those women also have insulin resistance or hyperinsulinemia, as well as imbalance of sex hormones and other signs of disease. In the short, you will need to think about it like this. Your junk eating food each day, especially with a lot of carbohydrates, also with a lot of sugar that you most certainly eat each day, is going to get your acne worse. A lot of sugar, that means all your drinking sodas, also your energy drinks, also cakes, pasta, French fries, all other stuff that you eat each day and you buy from the supermarkets are loaded with the sugar, and you just eat a lot of sugar and you will get a lot worse with your acne. What are the most important vitamins to prevent acne? First of all, you will need vitamin A. In the first few days or weeks, you need a fairly large dose between 50,000 to 20,000 international units daily until the inflammation decreases. When the inflammation decreases, vitamin A, you need about 5,000 international units. As food supplements, buy vitamin A in combination with beta-carotene complex. This is an excellent way to help remove acne. Vitamin A protects the skin epithelium. You can even take it as an emulsion for the faster assimilation. Which are the food rich in vitamin A? It is beef liver, lamb liver, cod liver oil, salmon, tuna, goat cheese, eggs, oysters, sweet potato, butternut, zucchini, kale, lettuce, carrots, peppers, spinach, mango, grapefruit, watermelon, and papaya. That is all food that you don't eat, you don't like them because they are not hamburgers, pizzas, I don't know, French fries or whatever junk food you eat each day. So if you listen to me, vitamin A is going to be very important for you removing your acne in a natural way. But what are the vitamins that can help you? A lot. First of all, the vitamin B complex, which is taken 3 times a day, 100 milligrams of each vitamin B. This vitamin is very important for the health of the skin, and the vitamins of the B complex are anti-stress vitamins, which will be great of benefit for you. It will also recommended vitamin C, which is taken 1000 to 1500 milligrams per day. It strengthens immunity and reduces inflammation. It is needed for the renewal of collagen in the skin. As a dietary supplements, buy a vitamin C with bioflavonoids. Once again, remember, for the natural safe remove acne, you will need vitamin A, vitamin B complex, and also vitamin C. the first sources of those vitamins is food, and since you eat very bad food, you try to find extra nutritional supplements to remove acne and help with those vitamins. So that there are no miraculous creams or whatever you think you do each day. You need to take into consideration to eat healthy and take these special vitamins. It all can help you a lot, but also a few other information is going to be very beneficial to you. I'm gonna recommend you something called the thistle root tea. This tea is an excellent way to detoxify the body and helps to rid of acne. Add 1 tablespoon of dry burdock root in the 300 milliliters of water. Add everything to a bowl and cook on the lower heat for 20 minutes. Now strain the tea, wait to cool, and add little honey and the lemon juice. This is incredible, healthy, delicious, and helps remove acne. If you are listening to me very carefully, nettle root tea is going to be perfect natural remedies for removing your acne. You just drink the tea. It's going to detoxify your body and help you in natural way. Also take those vitamins. All this combined together. Especially if you eat healthy, of course, avoid all those things that can make you worse. You will get better and you will not have any scars of your acne, of course, if you're a teenager or maybe in the adults. If you want to find out more information that can help you a lot removing your acne, watch video right here. Thank you for following me. God bless you. God bless your family. See you in the next video. Bye bye.